Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new environment for your repository in GitHub. Go ahead and click your repository on the left hand side. Then from here click on its settings and go down to where it says environments. Click on that. Now here you can create or add a new environment. Just simply go ahead and click new environment in the upper right. Give it a name. I'm going to call this one Drew, and simply click and configure environment. Now from here, you want to go ahead and ensure that you configure it correctly. So if you would like to have it required reviewers, you can check that box and you can add up to a certain amount of requires. You can add people or you can add team. It's really up to you. If you don't want that, if you also want to prevent self-review, you can also, check that box as well, right? So choose whatever you want. But you want to go ahead and add some people there, right? As well, if you want to just wait for the timer, you can go ahead and do that, and you can just change that to 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever you want. Let's leave it as a basic. Now here you want to go ahead and ensure that you save the rules right here, and you can go ahead and scroll down. Here you have the deployment branches and tags. No restriction here. You can say protected branch only, or you can say selected branch and tags. You can choose that. It's up to you. That's saved automatically, by the way, so you don't need to do anything right there. Here you can add some deployment branches or tags if you want to. You can select whatever you want here. All right, so I'm going to just leave it for now as the no restriction, but just so you know what to add. Here you can add environment secret. You can just simply go ahead and just add whatever you want to right there, or whatever you have to add. Here as well, you have the environment variables. Simply click on add variable. Again, you want to enter the name of the variable, and of course you want to add whatever variable that you have there, and click on add the variables right here. But once you add that, it's going to basically save the configuration of your environment, and so when you go back to environment, it will be there. And this is how you can actually find those environments as well. But that's pretty much how you can easily go ahead and add environment for your repositories in GitHub. Very easy and very simple.